I consider myself a learner when it comes to photography. Thus, I run behind technicalities and fail to utilize the full potential of my camera and myself. A few weeks back, as I sat on my desk looking through my archives, I came to realize I have the same photos of the same subject from various times. It's the same bird sitting on a solo perch existing. That's when I realized I was lacking something. Thus, I decided to do something different. I packed my bags and came to a location where I have been before. And this area is famous for bee eaters. I love bee eaters. These small green stick-tailed beauties never make a bad friend. I chose a spot, set up my camera, framed my shot, and now it was the way. I did set up my camera right now, and by now I hope everybody knows what photography means waiting. And I'm currently waiting. And soon the framed perch started getting little visitors. This wabbler is hopping in and out looking for something to munch on. To check my settings, I took some shots. A little less light and a bit more warmth. And soon came in Mr. Bee Eater. Started the game of continuous shutters. I hold my shutter till my card lags, and I check the results. Disappointment. This one is hazy, that one is out of focus, this one is missing the feel, and so on. After repeating the procedure for a few times, I got what I wanted. I call this frame Go Ahead. Every time I'm out sitting by myself waiting for a frame I have pictured in my head, I realize all over again how beautiful nature is. And yet, due to our unending wants, we are slowly killing what makes us love this world so much.